teach you how to log in to the Intermedia administration portal. So we just first go to intermedia.com. And then when we're in here, we can see that that there is a login right here in the upper right hand corner, and you're going to want to go to customer login. And then when that comes up, there's actually 3 places that you can log in. You can log into user services here. You can log in as an admin, or you can log into voice services, but that's like for SIP trunking and things like that. But really the piece that you want is this for admins tab is the one that will get you into the hosted phone system, the Unite system. And you just type in your login and your password. If you've forgotten your password, just hit forgot password, and it's going to pop up and it's going to walk you through your recovery where your login will be your email. But that's about it to get into the Intermedia Unite admin portal. Thank you very much.